Well, hello, it's Bears back with another lock for you. Picked up off of eBay. It's a American 5260. Box says 5262. Don't know what that's about, but oh well. It's a nice lock. This was made in January of '88. It's solid. Here's the key for it. There's the bitting. Got a real strong spring right there. Snaps back real good. So let's see about getting into this bad boy. Start at the back here. Number 5 pin. We got little movement on that. Number 4 is solid. 3 is springy. 2 is springy. 1 is springy. Okay, go back. Number 5. See what we can do. 5 feels set. 4 feels set. Might have something here on 2. No. I got something on 1. Go back. And we got it. And we got that bad boy. Nice. Very nice. Let's get to work on this bad boy. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited I got that thing. Oh. Now camera, don't mess up on me or nothing. Let me get panning board down here. Yeah, screws and all that can go over there. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Wow, that's pretty wet. There's my tools. Ooh, man, that's wet. That is. Got this oiled up pretty good. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and lock this. I don't want any more of those accidents like I've had in the past. Hey, ooh. Oops, I slipped off. Look at that. Ooh. Got a good, I'm thrilled. I got a good C-clip this time. Get a follower. Yeah, nasty wet. Keys, keys, keys. Where'd I throw the keys? Real smart. Throw what you need away. That's me. Not paying attention too well sometimes. Let's see about getting this done without too many accidents. Ooh, got her. Got her. Man, that's slick. Okay, well, let's see what it looks like with the pins. These out. Wow, they're all just kind of like so oily, but kind of how they sit in there, I guess. Man, they don't want to come out. Okay, that's one. Let's get him back here. That's two. Three. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited that went smooth. 4. And pin 5. My luck, I got him upside down, yeah. Ooh, move down there. Okay, and 6-pin core, so you can always pin it up for 6. Front. Okay. This is probably, I'm thinking, gonna be all serrated. Hello? Well, they're sticking in it. It's got to be that oil just holding them in. Yeah, all standard pins. All standard springs, I mean. Yeah, well, you know where you go. Let's just get this done here. Take a look at it. Any crud out of there. And see if we can focus on that. There you go. All serrated on the bottom and all serrated on the top. And that's what we got for the 5260. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.